Good evening, students. As I promised you, I will bring sessions on spoken English, and today I am bringing this first session of this course. And today I will tell you how to introduce yourself in front of employer or some strange person, because you are familiar with your relatives or friends and you have not to introduce in front of them. So you have to introduce yourself in front of your employers where you go for interview, and to some strange person to which you meet for the first time. Okay, first of all you will tell your name. Don't say my name is or myself Deepika, because don't start your introduction part with M word. Okay, start your introduction like I am Deepika, not Deepika. Whatever your name is, mention that here, there. Okay, so you can say my name is Deepika. No, you can say I am Deepika. And after that, you can say about your study, about your experience, your family, your hobby, and whatever you want to add in the introductory part. Okay. So I'm going to tell you the introduction, and you can copy that, or you can not to cram that, not to copy that. Just say with your own experience. Okay. Like I am Deepika, and I have done my graduation in 2012, and after that I was preparing for some exams, and I am an online IELTS trainer and content developer, and recently I have completed my MSc IT, and I have experience in the companies like or organizations like where they prepare the students for the government jobs, like they teach them to attempt the government job exams. And I also worked as an IELTS trainer, and nowadays I am online IELTS trainer, and I am working as a content developer also. And you can mention your hobbies in your introduction part, like my hobbies. Don't say my hobby is to read books. It may be that employer or someone else can ask you what kind of books you read, and there you will stop, because you don't read books. You are just mentioning the lines from your resume, or that is a cramming line, like I like to read books and blam blam. You can say I would like to listen songs. This is the most common and most easy hobby you can mention, because if someone will ask you about the songs you are listening, you can say Arjit Singh or Punjabi songs like Diljit Dosanjh. Okay. And next other thing is you can mention about your family also, like I have 4 members in my family, or 2 members in my family, whatever they are, or whoever they are, you can mention that in your introduction. Okay. After that, you can say I am very honest and punctual person, and I do my work with honesty, and I do a lot of hard work to achieve my goals. You can also mention your accomplishments in your introduction, like whatever you achieve in your life, in your academics part or your job experience. Okay, so this is the introduction of yourself. Whenever you want to introduce in front of employers or some other person like a stranger, you can use this introduction. Okay, so goodbye, and we will meet in the next session, and I